The news is not telling the whole story about the real estate market. Here's what's actually happening. The truth is, the market isn't the same everywhere right now. Some areas are seeing prices level out or even dip a little, while others still have strong demand and very little inventory. National headlines don't tell the full story. Every city, every neighborhood, every price point is acting a little differently, and the smartest decisions are based on local data, not fear or hype. That said, there's a shift happening across the country that buyers and sellers should really know about. Inventory has been rising for 17 straight months, and it's up nearly 29% compared to this time last year, which is huge. There are more homes available for buyers to choose from. Demand is still strong for well-priced, well-prepped homes. Here's what that means big picture. If you're a buyer, more choices mean less chaos and a better chance of finding a home you love without feeling rushed or overpaying. But the best homes still move quickly, so having a plan in place helps stay competitive without getting overwhelmed. If you're a seller right now, homes still have a great chance to shine if they're priced and marketed well. But as more listings hit the market, waiting too long could mean facing more competition later and potentially longer days on market. If buying, selling, or even just staying informed is on your mind, this is a smart time to have a real conversation. Every market is acting a little differently right now, and the right move depends on local trends, not national headlines. If you or someone you care about wants to understand what's happening in your area, reach out to me, because I am always happy to share real insights and help you make the best moves for your goals. The opportunity window is here. You have to decide if it's time to walk through. Let me know.